Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're George and Dan, and today we're sharing 22 essential tips to help you make the most of your cruise to the Norwegian fjords.
From planning your itinerary to exploring the stunning ports, we've got you covered. Stick around because these tips will ensure your cruise is smooth, stress-free and absolutely unforgettable.
Not all Norwegian fjords cruises are the same, so researching your itinerary is key. Some cruises focus on iconic spots like Fjord, while others include lesser known but equally beautiful places like Olden. Decide what's important to you, whether it's nature, culture, or iconic landmarks, and choose a cruise that matches your interests. A little research now will make your trip so much more rewarding.
The Norwegian Fjords cruise season runs from April to September, but the best times are May, June or September. These months offer fewer crowds, lower prices and still gorgeous weather. Remember, Norwegian weather can be unpredictable, so even in summer you'll want to pack for all conditions. Picking the right time to go can make a huge difference to your experience.
Different cruise lines cater to different travellers, so it's important to find the right one for you. Are you looking for a luxury experience, family-friendly activities, or something budget-friendly? Research the ships, onboard experiences, and itineraries to ensure the cruise line aligns with your style. With so many options out there, there's something for everyone.
The Norwegian fjords are one of the most scenic places you can cruise, so a balcony cabin is highly recommended. Imagine waking up to the sight of towering mountains and still fjord waters right from your bed. It's also a great way to enjoy sailings and sailaways in private without having to find a spot on deck. If there's ever a time to splurge, this is it.
While the fjords themselves are calm, the journey to Norway might include some open water. If you're prone to seasickness, book a midship cabin on a lower deck where the movement is minimal. Modern ships have stabilisers, but it's always better to be cautious. Pack seasickness remedies just in case, you'll thank yourself later.
Norwegian weather is famously unpredictable, so packing layers is essential. Bring thermals, jumpers, t-shirts and a waterproof jacket and sunglasses. You'll likely need all of them in a single day. Even in summer, mornings can be chilly, so don't forget a hat and gloves for early sailings. Being prepared for any weather ensures you can enjoy the fjords no matter what.
Exploring the Norwegian fjords often means a lot of walking, so comfy shoes are a must. Whether you're wandering through quaint villages or trekking to a viewpoint, your feet will thank you. Even on board, cruise ships are massive, so you'll be doing more walking than you realise. Make sure your shoes are broken in to avoid any discomfort.
The fjords are some of the most photogenic places in the world, so bring a good camera or a phone with an excellent lens. Panoramic shots are incredible, and you'll want to capture every single angle of the breathtaking scenery. Don't forget spare batteries or a power bank, you'll be snapping away all day. These are memories you'll want to keep forever.
Norway is largely cashless, so you won't need much Norwegian kroner. Most shops and restaurants accept cards, even for small purchases. However, it's a good idea to carry a small amount for tips or emergencies. With everything being expensive in Norway, it's better to rely on your card to avoid carrying too much cash.
Rain is common in the fjords, so pack a lightweight waterproof jacket to stay dry. If you're planning to enjoy your balcony, ask your steward for a blanket. It makes a big difference on chilly evenings. Being comfortable no matter the weather ensures you won't miss a moment of the views. Trust us, staying warm and dry makes everything more enjoyable.
Sailing into the fjords early in the morning is magical. The light is soft, the waters are calm, and the scenery is breathtaking. Set your alarm, grab a hot drink, and head to the deck to soak it all in. You might even have the deck to yourself. Totally worth the early wake up.
Every ship has its hidden gems when it comes to great views. Spend some time exploring and note the best vantage points like aft bars or top decks. Knowing where to go means you'll never miss out on the action. The fjords are all about the views, so make the most of them.
Roaming charges can add up quickly, so check if your mobile plan includes Norway. At sea, switch your phone to airplane mode to avoid unexpected charges. Once in port, you can turn it back on and use Wi-Fi hotspots if needed. Being prepared saves you from a nasty bill later.
Ship Wi-Fi is notoriously expensive and unreliable, especially in the fjords. Save your internet usage for when you're in port. Many cafes offer free or cheap Wi-Fi. Follow the crew, they always know the best spots for connectivity. This way you can stay connected without breaking the bank.
Many fjord ports like Olden and Skjolden are small and easy to explore on foot. Skip the expensive cruise excursions and wander at your own pace. Hop-on, hop-off buses are also a fantastic way to see the sights. Touring independently gives you more freedom and saves you money.
Some excursions, like rib tours or the troll cars at Brookstal Glacier, sell out fast. If there's something you really want to do, book it as early as possible. Cruise lines often let you book online before departure. Planning ahead ensures you won't miss out.
Don't miss the highest viewpoints for the best photos. Mount Floyen in Bergen, Mount Ulriken and the Lierne observation deck are all incredible spots. The views from these places are unforgettable, so make time to visit. They're worth the effort.
Seeing the fjords from the water is a whole different experience. Kayaks, rib speedboats and boat cruises like the Lisfjord trip to Pulpit Rock offer stunning perspectives. It's an adventure you won't want to skip. Whether you're looking for adrenaline or a leisurely ride, there's something for everyone.
The locals in Olden put on a special show for cruise ships as they depart. They play music, creating an unforgettable atmosphere for the sail away. Grab your spot on deck or your balcony to soak it all in. It's a unique moment you won't want to miss.
Souvenirs in Norway are often expensive and mass-produced. Look for traditional items like knitwear or troll-themed gifts if you want something authentic. Keep your expectations low for unique finds, but there's always something to take home. Just be mindful of your budget.
Many shops close on Sundays, especially in smaller villages. If you're on a port on a Sunday, plan excursions or enjoy a peaceful stroll. Knowing this ahead of time helps you avoid disappointment. Always check local opening hours when planning your day.
Make dinner an experience by asking for a window seat or head into the buffet early. Watching the fjords while you eat is a highlight of the cruise. It's such a simple but magical way to enjoy the scenery. Don't miss the opportunity to pair stunning views with a delicious meal.
That's all for our 22 tips to make the most of your Norwegian Fjords cruise. We hope these tips help you to have an unforgettable trip. Let us know your favourite tips or your own experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cruise content and join our Facebook groups for even more advice and support. And we'll see you later.